I've said sometimes that there are sort of three periods in ADR, starting with the Pound Conference. For about 10 years, there was sort of the theme of let 1,000 flowers bloom, then great experimentation. Then the second period, the next 10 years, was sort of sorting out the wheat from the chaff, which had a number of critical pieces, like the one by Owen Fiss at Yale Law School. And then I think we're now in the third phase of institutionalization, how to take the best of the field and try to work it into the basic structure of our dispute resolution system, so that the burden isn't always on the person who wants to use ADR, but that's the natural thing that's expected. So that's why I've been in favor, at least on a temporary basis, of mandatory ADR, mandatory mediation, even though some people say that's a contradiction in terms, which I think is wrong, because I think it doesn't distinguish between coercion into mediation, which I think is okay as a temporary expedient, and coercion in mediation, which of course would be a contradiction in terms. But so I think I dimly recognized, to come back to your question, at that time the opportunities for trying to rationalize the field, and that was exciting, particularly with two stimulating colleagues. And so we got into lots of fights and produced a useful book.